Okay friends, today is about malware attacks. Malware is a combination of the words malicious and software. This is a generic term that includes any type of software designed to harm or exploit computer systems, networks, or devices. Different types of malware could be viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware, adware, and many more. The whole intent behind the action of creating a malware is pure malicious. That could be for different reasons, like stealing sensitive information, disrupting company operations, or simply financial gains. This type of attack is designed to compromise the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of digital information, which leads to data breaches, financial losses, or operational disruptions. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. Remember to activate multi-factor authentication on all of your accounts. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.